Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely public. Open your Facebook app. If you use Android device, at the top right corner click on three lines. If you use iOS device, at the bottom right corner click on three lines. From now, any steps as for Android, as for iOS and iPhone device are the same. We should scroll down a little bit and open settings and privacy. Next step, on pop-up menu, go to settings. Now scroll down a little bit. In menu audience and visibility, open profile information. Now we should scroll down and click near basic info, edit. Now change your birthday. Just click on this option, as you can see, log, and click on public. Near birth year, click on this option and click public. Now scroll down and in the bottom click on political view, regional view and language. Just select all to public and click on save. Now again go to our main menu. At the bottom, if you use iOS device, if you use Android device, at the top right corner. Okay, and go again to settings. Scroll down. In audience and visibility, click on how people find and contact you. And click first who can send your friend request. Select everyone, go back. Who can see your friend list, click on it and select public. Go back. Who can look you up using the email address, everyone, select. Go back. Who can look up using your phone number, click everyone. Go back. Do you want to search and just turn on this option? Now go back and one more back. In settings and privacy, click on followers and public content. And here select all option to public. Who can see your followers on your timeline, public. Public post comments, select public. Scroll down. Public post notification, everyone. Public profile info, select public. Go back again to settings and privacy and select profile and tagging. Who can post on your profile, select friends. Go back. Who can see what are the posts on your profile, select everyone. Tagging, select everyone. Go back. This one, select friends. And I guess that's it. Also, you can change active status if you want it to turn on. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.